Winston has successfully recovered from his surgery, is back in hospital for a checkup on his blood work, and he needs to be observed via Vet Radar. From his EasyVet clinical record, select the Send to Vet Radar button. Once successfully sent to Vet Radar, the button changes to Open in Vet Radar. Click on the button again and Vet Radar will open in a new tab on Winston's patient profile. Winston will now show on all devices that are logged into Vet Radar. From here, Winston needs setting up with a basic sheet. Select Create a Sheet, add on the General Canine Admit template, then click Create Sheet. Once the new sheet is created, workflow tasks need to be added. This is the main way that vet techs are going to keep track of what's happening to Winston during his stay. Due to this being a large, busy hospital, the workflow whiteboard is extremely beneficial to vet techs, as they are often dealing with multiple patients at once. When setting up the workflows, you'll also want to add on the specific blood tests that Winston needs, so that the techs have a really quick reference to refer back to when they're putting these into the blood machines. Start working through and ticking off the items on the workflow whilst making sure the vitals are being added to the patient's sheet in the relevant areas. Once updated, it will update in both Vet Radar and in EasyVet. Winston will now be placed into a cage so he can rest a little before the next colleague comes to carry out the blood work. Stay tuned for the next part of the workflow in Winston's post-surgery exam, part 2.